am telling about Anandibai Joshi and Nandini Harinath. Dr. Anandibai Joshi, first Indian female doctor. Her baby son died 10 days later due to a lack of medical care. This tragedy motivated her to study medicine. She acquired a Doctor of Medicine in 1886. While returning to India to contracted tuberculosis, she died in Pune in 1887. Nandini Harinath is rocket scientist at the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organism, Satellite Center in Bengaluru. 20 years. She has served in Mangalyaan project manager. She has served in 14 missions. 14 missions last 20 years.
Kadapa district. He is cannot known Kada Kavita Pitamaha. 32,000 Kirtanas in pairs of Lord Venkateshwara is Topic Anandibai Joshi, first Indian female doctor. Her baby son died 10 days later due to a lack of medical care. This tragedy motivated to study medicine.
My name is Sindhu. Study 8th class. My name is Sindhu. Study 8th class. 8 planets are solar system. This is my study 7th class. My name is solar system. So 8 planets are the solar system. First planet Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Neptune, Uranus, our home planet, the Earth. Earth is third planet. Earth is third planet. The nearest planet is the third nearest planet to the sun. The moon, asteroid, meteorites, comets, galaxy, universe. For citizens to move the corrective believe that any of their fundamental rights have been by the state. Trees are for birds. Trees are for children. Trees make mother say. Trees make father say. We are the children of God. My name is Pravina. I am studying 6th class. I am here telling about Dr. Anandibai Joshi and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. Anandibai Joshi, West India female doctor. Her baby son died 10 days late due to a lack of medicine. lack of medicine care. This target motivated her to study medicine. She acquired doctor of medicine contracted tuberculosis in Pune 1886. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He was and a great writer.
I am studying 6th class. My topic democracy. Democracy government have been formed in most of the countries. Types world. India is also a democracy country. In democracy, there are two types. They are: it is a form of the government run by the people. Her very citizen allowed to cast a vote. Many types of the government like monarchy, democracy, etc. Have worked ancient time to the present. My name is Samsura Teja. I am studying 6th class. Today I am talk about Mariappan Thangavelu and is an Indian Parliament high jumper. He is injured his leg in age of the 9. And won gold medal. He won gold medal. He won gold medal. In men's high jump at 2016. Rio de Janeiro Paralympic for give to me opportunity. My study in 6th class. My about Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. He was a great scientist and a great writer. He came from a poor family. In spite of so many problems in his life, reached a goal. We are all born with a divine fire. Our efforts should be to give wings to the fire and fill world with a glow of its goodness. Wings of fire. All of you do not have equal talent, but of use equal ability to develop our talent.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, I will tell you about APJ Abdul Kalam and Mariappan Thangavelu. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. She was a great writer and great scientist. He came a poor family. In spite of so many problems in this life, she reached our goal. In this world, we all are born with awareness fire in us. Our effects should be to give wings of world glow of its goodness, wings of fire. She said that we are all not equal talents, but we are all equal opportunities to develop our talents. Mariyappan Thangvel is Indian Paralympic high jumper. She was leg injured in age 9. However, but verified hard work in men's high jump to gold medal 2016 Rio Paralympic high jump in Brazil. Thank you teachers and my dear friends. My name is Venkatablash. I am studying 8th class. Today I am telling about Kalpana Chawla, Dr. Anandibai Joshi, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Nandini Harinath. Kalpana Chawla, an Indian American astronaut, was born on July 1st, 1961, into a middle class family in Karnal, Haryana. After graduation, she became the Vice President of Overseas Methods at NASA Ames Research Center. She was the first Indian woman to enter space. She died due to the failure of the STS-107 mission in the atmosphere on February 1st, 2003. In recognition of her talent, the U.S. government awarded her the Congressional Space Medal of Honor and the NASA Distinguished Service Medal. Dr. Anandibai Joshi. Dr. Anandibai Joshi was first Indian female doctor. Her baby son died 10 days later due to a lack of medical care. This tragedy motivated her to study medicine. She acquired Doctor of Medicine in 1886. While returning to India, she contracted tuberculosis. She died in Pune in 1887. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam full name is Abul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. He was a great scientist and a great writer. He came from a poor family. In spite of so many problems in his life, he reached his goal. In his words, we are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should to give wings to this fire and fill the world with glow of its goodness, wings of fire. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar full name is Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He is regarded as father of the Constitution. He wrote the Constitution of India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is first Law Minister of India in 1947. Nandini Harinath. Nandini Harinath is a rocket scientist at the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization Satellite Center in Bangalore. Nandini has been with ISRO for the last 20 years. She has served on the Mars Orbiter mission Mangalyaan. Project manager, mission designer, deputy director of operations. She has served 14 missions at ISRO for 20 years. Thank you to Principal Sir and Chalanak Sir for giving this opportunity.
Very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teacher and my dear friends. My name is Nandakishore. I am studying 8th class. Today I am telling about Nandini Harinath, Dr. Jyotirao Phule, and Dr. Anandibai Joshi and Mariyappan Thangvel. Nandini Harinath is a Indian scientist at the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization Satellite Center in Bengaluru. Nandini has been with ISRO for the last 20 years. She has served on the Mars Orbited Mission Mangalyaan, project manager, mission designer and deputy director of operations. She has served 14 missions at ISRO for 20 years. Anandibai Joshi. Dr. Anandibai Joshi, first Indian female doctor. Her baby son died 10 days later due to a lack of medical care. This tragedy motivated her to study medicine. Mariyappan Thangavelu. Mariyappan Thangavelu is an Indian Paralympic high jumper. He injured his leg at the age of 9. However, he practiced very hard and won the gold medal in the men's high jump at 2016 in the Rio de Janeiro Paralympic, Brazil. Thank you for the giving opportunity.
My topic name, lighting safety. During lighting and thunderstorm on open place is safe. Open place is safe. Hearing thunder to a alert a rush to a safe place. After hearing the last thunder, wait for some time before coming out of the place. Finding a safe place, a house and building safe place. If you travel car and bike, you safe with window and door. Vehicle shoot.